I'm gonna wear this. I paused it.
Yeah.
I love it. Yeah.
What was there? Like, hoodies, shirts?
I barely saw anything. Downstairs it was just the normal, another club. And then you go up and there's a bouncer. And then I had to like sign my name and like there was a list. And I was like, oh.
So you had to like a list?
Yeah.
Like of people who were coming?
Yeah. Just a list of people. And I signed in. And there was like a table for pre-orders and I was like too anxious to like look at anything. So like I was just like waiting.
So
I got the pre-order. They were like music. Shasha and Julia were around and they're like, oh, are you okay? And I'm like, yeah, I'm just getting stuff. And they were like milling around and other people, which I was totally fine with and prefer, or else they would just be sitting next to me and it would be so awkward. I felt like such a loser. I was like, this is so embarrassing. Oh my god, I've been recording this entire time. Oh, wait, you were saying? Yeah.
How like
Yeah.
where are all these people in Yangon? I've not
I know,
seen you
right?
guys.
Yeah. And it was so interesting because like just to see people who were coming in and out, and I'm like, wow, this community exists.
Yeah.
I was really like shocked and like I felt uncomfortable. I got something from No Replacements Found. For No Replacement Found ကနေတခုခုမှာထားတယ်သူတို့ Saturday တော့ I think 23ရက်နေ့ yeah သူတို့ Saturday မှာ event လုပ်ထားတယ် and then this is the bag. It's a good quality bag. The color is really nice and like it's striking. If there was something that had color, I probably would have bought that instead of this. And then through like Dilomio envelope. Look at this paper. Isn't this good paper?
Is that the receipt?
Yeah. Here, you can look at it. Wow. And look, this envelope is really good. Like whoever's sourcing these are doing a good job. It smells clean. Yeah, the embossing.
It just has your name and stuff. That's so cool. Don't throw that away.
I won't. That's really
That's a
cool.
nice receipt.
So who got medium shorts wear day. And then thank you for your purchase. For more information and inquiries, please contact No Replacement Found online@gmail.com. The pre-order line, like it could have been smoother. I don't know if they were just like taking their time so that there would be a line or whatever, but I was like it took really long to, and it made me like more, if it was faster I feel like I would have like gotten into my groove, you know.
Yeah.
Here's the box. And then look, there's a sticker here, No Replacement Found medium. Isn't that cool? This is cool.
That's so nice.
And I love like just these details. It's like
Giving me Adidas, like
yes.
Brown.
There is a smell. Okay, I'm so excited. I was actually nervous because today's January 25, but I'm like unboxing now and I'm like,
Finally.
it smells good.
There's a scent.
There's a scent.
Perfume. I'm surprised you got black. It's just so unlike you.
Huh?
I would have expected you to get like any other color but black.
There's only black.
Oh really? Oh,
Yeah.
you were really showing support then.
Yeah, there's only black. And I already bought like a pair of black shorts recently. So I'm not touching this yet. But it like it feels heavy. Doesn't feel soft. It feels heavy, Judy, you can touch. Dude, what the hell?
Oh.
Dude.
Money that they spend on packaging.
I know, right?
I mean,
And there's two. That's my brother. Oh, the dog is outside. Wait. Quinn, come here, man. Go. Jamie, Clucky, come here. Come here. Jamie, Clucky. Quick, I'm going to go to that. Okay. Not the brother I thought it was going to be. What?
And there's a fucking plastic bag in there, dude. I've never seen a brand like put their logo on.
Yeah, this is really cool. Whoa.
I was looking at the price. I'm like, 55,000 for a pair of pants. But now I'm looking at everything. I'm like, oh.
That makes
it's an
sense, yeah.
experience when you're opening everything.
So it comes with a plastic bag, but I don't think it fits. I think if I try to make it fit, it'll fit, but plastic bag. How do they make it smell good? Damn. Okay.
Wow.
It's heavy. It's like
Wow.
heavy. Ooh. Oh my god. Shit. It smells good. I'm gonna die.
Don't ever wash them.
It smells actually good. I'm disturbed.
I'm really upset that it's so good. Like, I was expecting to judge more, like because of the price. I'm like, that's not cheap for a pair of pants. Oh shit, those are nice.
Or I'm gonna do. Wait, I'm
Oh
gonna do.
man, I'm upset. I didn't get it.
Maybe you can still. Look at my mirror.
Hi.
Hi. I'm gonna do.
How do they feel? Like,
They feel like
how's the cut? Like, is it uncomfortable?
Okay, there was like a confusion with like just how it was measured because it's like 12 and then 13 and 13.5 or whatever for the waist, and I was like,
Oh.
wait, is it supposed to go around? But then it was like, oh, left to right. I was like, that's a weird. Like you usually do the
whole.
or like maybe like for guys it's different, you know?
No, it's the same.
Yeah, so it feels good. Like
Oh, they look. The pockets at the back are so.
yes, right?
They're high. They're not.
Okay, so there's no drawstring. It's like purely like, which I think is good. I think for them and their purposes, like the most of the people that are wearing this, it's like if you're skating or something, like, it won't be in the place.
Yeah.
So the pockets are deep. Can I borrow your phone?
Yeah.
So this is what is this, the big one or a normal one?
No.
A normal one. And it's like
Oh,
it doesn't even
really?
show up.
I can't even see that you have a phone in your pocket.
This is cool. I'm having so much fun. I love we're doing this. And then so there's two pockets.
It is like good material.
Oh my god. Okay, so the back pockets are a little smaller.
Oh yeah.
And then, dude, this is fun. Oh my, feel the inside of that.
So
That is really fucking
I'm
good.
so upset. I'm actually
Wait.
gonna send him a message and be like, yo, I'm actually give me a pair right now.
Yeah.
I will buy a pair.
Wait, see if
Those are
it's
nice.
still available.
Oh, I love these.
It's fun.
And black suits you. It looks so funny. I've never seen you wear black in my whole life.
I know. I don't like to. No, I don't like to. I just
never seen it.
don't.
But it would be nice, like when you're, running quick errands, like
Yeah.
when you're rock climbing.
Dude, I love pockets.
Right.
Okay, I'm gonna take them off now.
Wow. I love
Smell
them.
it.
I'm impressed. I'm actually genuinely.
Good job.
What? It was him.
And
James,
Askell?
And
I don't think James is involved.
he is, no? He was there like when they were. Let me see. I don't even know what NRF stood for.
This is cool.
Right, I don't think James is involved.
Okay, so the tag. I'm like a fashion person now. NRF, main fabric. 100% cotton, dude!
Wow.
Why are you so upset that it's nice?
I'm like shocked because I was expecting to judge, not gonna lie. I saw that price, I'm like, you better be fucking good if you're 55,000 chats, you know? Like that's expensive for a pair of pants. It's like, no, you're like your Adidas quality, like
Yeah.
I'm not
Yeah.
mad.
And the event was really nice. There were like drinks.
I saw there's like some food.
Yeah. I didn't eat any, I just left. But he seemed drunk.
So angry.
He seemed drunk. Dude, I love food. You know how much I love food. Can you believe I did not even
I'm so
went to
shocked.
look
I'm
at
like,
it?
You and your anxious ass, dude.
Oh, it's like this. Ooh. This tag is blue. Ajon. Do not dry clean, machine wash cold, do not bleach, iron low temperature, do not dry clean, iron on reverse only. I'm not gonna iron.
That's a lot.
Who's gonna iron?
They're called a heavyweight double pockets cargo shorts classic black.
Ew.
That's what you for.
I think you might be good with a small if they still have. Or a medium. Or a large, honestly.
What size?
This is a medium.
Oh really?
But it's like it's
Is this
tight around my waist a little.
Oh, elastic band maybe.
Hmm.
If you go large, I think it would be too long.
I think it's the same length.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm pretty sure all three sizes will fit you.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
But I think for you, small lengthwise would be the best.
For my thumb, I would go for medium.
Okay, go for medium.
Yeah, I want tight ass
So
pants.
that is the what's it called? Unboxing. I'm really like impressed and happy that there's a brand in Myanmar like this. Not my vibe, but great to support.
Sad that it's like limited stock. Like I wish it was an actual store, like where they had the shirt and.
Yeah, so that's what Saturday was. They had it like just out in the box.
But it's a pop-up store.
Yeah.